sure friends subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your quantitative aptitude class. This has been the class's 111th class of the session. Where in the last classes we had done your 110th classes that we had done. In that we had started with arithmetical ability. In that as well we had started with profit and loss. Before profit and loss we had done, this has been the 11th topic, so we had done your operations on numbers, SCF and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, products, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, odds and indices, percentage, profit and loss. That has been the 11th topic here. And in that as well we had done many of the questions related to it. 178 question we had done in the last classes, so you can go ahead, you will find out each and every question there on each and every topic. I'm talking about only the profit and loss. We had done your 178 questions here. So before starting with this, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe our channel so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Starting with 179th question of the session. So the question we have here is, a product when sold with 10% rebate on the listed price gave a profit of rupees, that is being your 70. What was its cost price? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. The option we have rupees 200, rupees 350, rupees 700 cannot be determined, and none of these, so we go ahead for the same. A product when sold with 10% rebate on the listed price gave a profit of rupees 70. What was its cost price? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper, so we have to find out the same here. So we'll go ahead for the same. That has been, since the mark price is not given, so the cost price cannot be determined. Okay, that has been, since, write it down, the reason why it is not find it out. Since the marked price is not given, so the cost price cannot be determined. Now we go ahead for the next question. Has been the another important question here is 180th question of the session. The question is, the labeled price of a cupboard is rupees 6,500. The shopkeeper sold it by giving 5% discount on the labeled price and earned a profit of 15%. What approximately is the cost price of the cupboard? That has been asked in the bank PO question paper. The option for the same is rupees 5,000, rupees 5,350, rupees 5,600, rupees 5,800 and rupees 6,000 here. So that what we'll have to talk about it. So here we go ahead for the same. The labeled price of a cupboard is rupees 6,500. The shopkeeper sold it by giving 5% discount on the labeled price and earned a profit of 15%. What approximately is the cost price of the cupboard that we have to talk about it. This is also been asked in the bank PO question paper. So we go ahead for the same, and the options is 5,000, 5,350, 5,600, 5,800 and 6,000. So we go ahead for the same. Selling price equals to 95% of rupees 6,500. So rupees 695 upon 100, we open it, 95% of is multiplied 6,500, 0 being cancelled by the 0 is here. 9565 multiplied will get rupees 6,175. Profit equals to 15% that we have. 15%. So cost price is equals to rupees 110 upon 115 into 6175, and that will be equals to rupees 5,369.56. that will be equals to rupees 5,350 here, that we get as an answer. Now we go ahead for the next that we have to talk about it, which has been another important question, and that has been the 181th question of the sessions here. And that the question is, Kunal bought a suitcase with 15% discount on the labeled price. He sold the suitcase for rupees 2,880 with a 20% profit on the labeled price. At what price did he buy the suitcase? This has been asked in the SBI PO question paper, which we have to talk about it, and of course that has been the important one. The question we have is your 181th question. So the question, we go ahead. Kunal bought a suitcase with a 15% discount on the labeled price. He sold the suitcase for rupees 2,880 with a 20% profit on the labeled price. At what price did he buy the suitcase? And that has been asked in SBI PO question paper. The options is rupees 2,040, rupees 2,400, rupees 2,604, rupees 2,640, and none of these. So we go ahead for the same here. We'll find it out. Let the labeled price be rupees X, then 120% of X equals to 2,880 equals to X equals to 2,880 into 100 upon 120. So this has been the 0, he being that being cancelled here. 288 and upon 12, that will cancel it out further. 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, and 2 4s are 8. Then 2 3s are 6, and 2 7s are 14, and 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 4s are 12. That is being here 2400, that will be multiplied. So 24 into 100 is your 2400, will be the right answer for this question as well. So we'll find it out for the cost price is equals to 85% of rupees 2400 equals to rupees 85 upon 100 into 2400. These zeros being cancel it out, so 85 24 is your 2040 that we get as an answer. That has been in the repeats here. We'll go ahead for this next. So we go ahead for the next, we talk about it. That has been the another important question we talk here, that has been the 182th question of the session. And the question we have: a shopkeeper sells a badminton racket whose marked price is rupees 30 at a discount of 15% and gives a shuttlecock costing rupees 1.50 free, that is, and with each racket. Even then he makes a profit of 20%. His cost price per racket is, this has been asked in SSC examination paper. The option we have is 19.75, 20, 21 and 21.25. So we go ahead for the same. So we write that, which has been asked in SSC examination paper as well. So a shopkeeper sell a badminton racket whose marked price is rupees 30 at a discount of 15% and gives a shuttlecock costing rupees 1.50 free with each racket. Even then he makes a profit of 20%. His cost price per racket is, this has been asked in SSC examination paper. That has been the important one, and that what we'll have to talk about it as well. So we find it out for the same, and that we have marked price equals to rupees 30, selling price is equals to rupees 85 upon 100 into 30. So that is means 0 in cancel by 0, 5 2s are 10, and 5 1s are 5, and 5 6 are 30, 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35. So for that it will be is equals to sorry, that has been minus 1.50 as well. So it will be equals to rupees 25.50 minus 1.50 will give you rupees 24. So let cost price be rupees x, then 120% of x is equals to 24, where it has been x equals to 24 into 100 upon 120. So this 0 being cancelled by this 0, and further it has been cancelled and give you the answer is rupees 20 that we get as an answer. Now we go ahead for the next one. That has been the another important question, is 183rd question of the session, which we'll have to talk about it, and that has been the important one as well. We'll go ahead for the next question as 183rd question of the session, and that the question we have: if a commission of 10% is given on the written price of an article, the gain is 20%, and if the commission is increased to 20%, so the gain is, the options we have: 6 2 by 3%, 7 1 by 4%, 12 1 by 2%, and 13 1 by 3%. We go ahead for the same. With a commission of 10% given on the written price of an article, the gain is 20%. If the commission is increased to 20%, the gain is that we have to talk about it. So we find out the solution for the same. So let the marked price be rupees 100, then selling price is equals to rupees 90 upon 100 into 100. This has been cancelled. We'll give rupees 90. Gain equals to 20%. Cost price is equals to rupees 100 upon 120 into 90. You can cancel it out. It will give you rupees 75. New commission equals to rupees 20. New selling price is equals to rupees 80. New profit equals to 5 upon 75 into 100. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 20, and 0. Then 3, and this is being 20. When we cancel it out this, and what we'll get here is on the same behalf of it, we'll give the answer that what will be further cancel it out, and that on the same basis we have to move ahead. And the same cases as I told you, then when we go ahead it will be give you 62 by 3%. That will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we go ahead for the next one that we have is the another question here, which has been asked in the bank view question, of course. So we'll do the same. So that has been the question that we have to discuss here is your 184th question of the session that we have to discuss. 184th question of the session, and the question we have here is: a shopkeeper sold a TV set for rupees 17,940 with a discount of 8% and earned a profit of 19.6%. What would have been a percentage of profit earned if no discount was offered? That has been asked in the bank view question paper. The option is 24.8%, 25%, 26.4%, cannot be determined, and none of these. We go ahead for the same. Shopkeeper sold a TV set for rupees 17,940. Discount if 8%, and earned a profit of 19.6%. What would have been the percentage of profit earned if no discount was offered? This has been asked in the bank PO question paper. The option for the same is 24.8%, 25%, 26.4%, cannot be determined, none of these. So we go ahead for the same. Selling price is equals to rupees 17,940. Let mark price be rupees X, then 92 upon 100 X equals to 17,940. X equals to rupees 17,940 into 100 upon 92, which will give you rupees 19,500. That we have. Cost price is equals to rupees 100 upon 119.6, 17,940, 1,000 upon 1,195 into 17,940 rupees 15,000. Cost price equals to rupees 15,000. Selling price equals to rupees 19,500. So required profit 4,500 upon 15,000. Zero will cancel by zeros. 5 3 is 15. 5 9 is 45 and 0. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9 and 0. So it will give you the answer here. That what we'll have to discuss as well, which is on the same day. It will be your 30%. So we go ahead for the next. That has been another important question is your 185th question. So the question we have here is a shopkeeper sells 25 articles at rupees 45 per articles after giving 10% discount, and same that earns a 50% profit, and if the discount is not given, the profit gained is, which has been asked in the SBI pure question paper. The option we have 60%, 62 by 3%, 66%, 66 2 by 3%, and none of these. So we go ahead for the same. A shopkeeper sells 25 articles at rupees 45 per article after giving 10% discount, and earns 50% profit if the discount is not given. The profit gained is, this has been asked in the SBI pure question paper. So we'll go ahead for the same here. Selling price of one article equals to rupees 45. Let marked price of each article be X, then 90 upon 100 X equals to 45. X equals to rupees 45 into 100 upon 90. So that is mean 5 9s are 45, 5 1s are 45, 5 1s are 5, and 5 it's a 40. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 50 is 100. So it will be rupees 50. So the cost price is equals to rupees 100 upon 150 into 45. 0 being cancelled 0, 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 and 3 5s are 15. So 15 2s are, that is being rupees 30. Now CP is equals to rupees 30 is equals to rupees 50. Required profit equals to, required profit percent equals to 20 upon 30 into 100%, which is being 0 being cancelled by zeros here, and that will give you 66 2 by 3% here, that we get as an answer. Now we're gonna end up with this only, and we'll discuss the rest of the next coming class, the rest of the question in the next coming classes here, which will be your 186th question of the sessions as well, and that has been in the 112th classes of the session. But before ending it up, it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and even you can also enjoy the video as well. Other than this, if I'm going to head, if we had done your sociology and software engineering, even though we had done your chemistry for class 11th and for class 12th as well. In class 12 we had done unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6, unit 7, unit 8, unit 9 with the conversions, logarithms, antilogs, and as well as we had done your which has been we had done your reasoning. In that we had done verbal reasoning. In verbal reasoning we had done general mental ability in the logic reasoning. In non-verbal reasoning we had done series and logic classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, constructions of squares and triangle, practice question set. We'll be starting with physics part 1 for class 11 and chemistry part 2 for class 11th as well. As I told you, we had completed the part 1 for each class, that is for class 11 and class 12. We have to deal with ER diagrams, we are dealing with English vocabulary as well, and we are dealing with CBNST, where we had completed unit 1 and we have to start with unit 2 as well. We had done, and we surely will be completing that as soon. Now coming towards quantitative aptitude, in that we had dealing with the two sections, that is in arithmetical ability and the data interpretation. In arithmetical ability we had done your operations on numbers, SCF and SCF of numbers, decimal fractions, simplification, square roots and cube roots, averages, problems on numbers, problems on ages, sums and indices, percentage, profit and loss, ratio and proportion, partnership, chain rule, time and work, by consistent time and distance, problems on rainbows and strings, allegations on mixture, simple interest, compound interest, logarithm, area, volume and surface area, races and games of skills, calendar, clock, stocks and shows, permutation and combination, probability, true discount, bankers discount, height and distance, odd and odd series. In data interpretation we have to cover up the tabulations, bar graphs, pie charts and line graphs as well. So here we're gonna end up with, and it's a huge request to all the viewers to please go ahead with like, share and subscribe to our channel, so that many and maximum people can get the information at once, and you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion in the comment box, and go ahead with like, share and subscribe as I requested before as well. Thank you.